Elfa.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good.
Are you are you doing anything on Saturday at 7 p.m.? Uh, do you when go to the sport center?
Oh, thank you for asking me. It sounds like a lot of fun. What kind sport we play?
We, we are going play basketball and Harry are really good. Glad to do that. You can play basketball.
No, I cannot play basketball.
No matter. I can teach you play basketball.
Well, thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to meet my parents at 7 p.m. How about 9 p.m.?
Sure, okay, let's go around 9. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank you. See you on Saturday.
See you too. I will hit you up.
Thank you.